Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is the top 3 habits that keep me shredded as I age at 46 years old. So stay tuned through the video because I'm going to go over these top 3 things. I got some workout clips here from today's workout. I'm going to show you exactly what I ate today as well. So the top 3 habits is number 1, consistently exercising, consistently working out. This was my strength training workout today. My first set was a set of weighted pull-ups here, so I'm just going to show you the clips from the workout. But consistently working out is absolutely key, keeping the muscles strong, keeping the cardio up. I do 2 days a week of strength training, full body, and 2 days a week of cardio. So besides the consistent strength training and cardio, I'm also going on 3 walks a day. And then depending on the time of the year, I'm either going on hikes on the weekend or snow skiing on the weekend as well. So staying very active, using my muscles, working my muscles. Now, since I'm only doing 2 days a week of strength training and my workouts aren't very long, they're only about 30 minutes, I'll do 5 to 6 total sets. I go really hard on the set. The second exercise here that I did was this bench press machine. So I just ended up doing a pull, a push, and a leg, and then a pull, and then a push. So it was only 5 sets today. On this bench press here, I actually did a superset. So after I did 1 set, I did a second set with a little bit less weights. And then here I did a leg press machine as well. So consistent workouts are absolutely key. You want to stay in great shape. You want to keep your muscles strong, especially as you age, because one of the things that a lot of people get is muscle loss as they get older. So through your 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond, make sure you keep on doing the strength training. Make sure you keep on using your muscles. You use it, you don't lose it. My second habit to stay shredded as I age is eating a clean plant-based diet. Now, I've been doing this about 13 years. The vast majority of my diet are going to be foods like fruits, vegetables, salads, smoothies, starches, nuts, and seeds. And that's going to be the vast majority of what I ate and what I've been doing for the last 13 years. So it's super important to fuel yourself with clean food, at least for the most part. And that's going to help you stay in great shape and stay healthy as you get older as well. Now, you can see the next exercise I did were these weighted chin-ups. So it was the second round. The first round I did pull-ups, and the second round I did weighted chin-ups. So just a little switch up here. It uses the biceps a little more than the pull-ups. And then after the weighted chin-ups, you're going to see I did just a regular set of push-ups, nice and controlled full range of motion push-ups. So I'm going full range of motion on all these exercises, and I'm going to failure as well. Since I'm not spending that much time in the gym, only doing 5 or 6 sets each workout twice a week, I go all out on every set to make sure I really get my money's worth here. And my third habit is intermittent fasting, which I've been doing for about 7 or 8 years now. So I practice intermittent fasting. I do my workouts fasted at 11 a.m. I just drink water through the morning, and then I generally have my first meal at 1 p.m. and I try to finish by 7 or 8 p.m. So I have about 3 hours before I go to bed, between the time I stop eating and go to bed. And generally once a week, I'll do more of like a 24-hour fast. It's just great for overall health and longevity. It's great for burning fat and staying fit and feeling good and just staying sharp and focused as well. So there's mental and physical benefits to intermittent fasting. Okay, so now I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day. And here we go. I had my first meal at 1 p.m. It was a smoothie. I had 2 dates. I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had 3 frozen ripe bananas that I soaked in hot water for about 4 minutes with the peel on, and they thaw out. So I like to freeze my bananas with the peel on and then soak them in hot water. I like the consistency better of the smoothies. I also had some cinnamon. I had about a tablespoon of cacao powder, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and about a cup of almond milk as well. So I generally start my first meal off with either a smoothie or fruit or oatmeal with fruit in it. So something that's nice and easy to digest and very satisfying as well. In this smoothie here, I made about 2 mugfuls, which I enjoyed. Very delicious. Try this out. Let me know what you think about this one. Then about an hour or 2 after the smoothie, I had an oatmeal. This had 1 serving of organic rolled oats. It has sliced up banana, about a quarter cup, about a quarter cup of pecans and a little bit of brown sugar with a splash of almond milk, nice and simple. Then for dinner at 7 p.m., I started off with a sumo citrus, and I went out to dinner and I had a large veggie burrito. It had mixed veggies, rice, beans, guacamole, had some salsa on the side with some corn tortillas. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.